Good morning.
Morning. We've got a product we've been wanting to get for a long time and put on our rig. So we're going to do that right now. We are going to install an RV lock on our front door.
Yeah, this will be a keyless entry.
We're going to get on that, and actually we're going to let Joni do it.
We'll see how well I do it.
She's pretty capable, so
yeah.
We're going to just show you how easy it is to install.
Yeah, and it says 10 minutes, so...
Maybe 25, 30 for Joni, but...
Yeah.
It's not a race. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Let's roll.
Okay, let's do it.
Here is the product. All right, so step one is just removing the old door handle. Number two, Phillips.
Oh, it's not ratcheting.
And it doesn't ratchet. Now it says to lock your door open. Our door doesn't lock open.
Do we have to reuse these, you think?
No.
Okay.
Well, maybe. I don't know. They got bolts with them. We're not going to throw them away for sure.
And then I'll...
Okay, then we got to take these two screws out. So after you get the back off, you got to take the plate off because that's what allows the front to come off.
It's like the striking plate.
Yeah, striker plate.
We left our good tools at home. Okay. Oh.
And then take the front out. All right, so now we gently put the front of the new handle through.
Gently. Does the power go?
So this, yeah, power has to go through. So all right, so it was a bit of a tight fit, so I had to help Joni get this in, but it's in. We got it in. All right, so now we're gonna get the new strike plate. I know that top hole's a little off, but I think we'll manage.
I used the old bolt from our old one, or our last plate, because it's a touch longer.
All right, next step.
Do the next step.
Connect the battery wires to the back side of this, the handle. You should hear a confirmation beep when the connection is made.
Oh, okay. I was like, what beep but this? Okay. All right. Now what? Obviously, we're going to be attaching.
Line and attach the back handle while tucking excess wire into the void.
Got it. Screwdriver, please.
Bolt. We didn't get it onto the deadbolt, so the deadbolt would move, and that's why the handle was stuck out. We couldn't figure it out why. Yeah. So just know that when you go to install it, that the deadbolt's got to be lined up right.
We had to take it back off.
Take it off, see what was going on. But
so this has to be aligned correctly, and then we kept messing with it as we were going, and then once we got it set, we made sure everything worked.
Yep. Got
the first screw on. And then got the second screw on, then went back, made sure everything worked again. Works.
Right on.
Works.
Okay, so
next step.
Next step. Okay, now it just says key in the numeric code to press the lock button.
Turn on.
No, it doesn't say turn on yet.
Okay.
So on the outside, you need to push 1, 2, 3, 4 because that's the code. Your handle should be functioning correctly.
All right, you want to show that? So we do 1, 2, 3, 4.
You hit the lock.
Lock.
There we go.
Oh, that's loud.
So it worked. And that's pretty much it. Now we can go into changing the code. To ensure the new code is working, key in the new code and press lock.
All right, so we do have our new code set.
See it work.
Oh, that's really loud.
It's loud. We can shut it off.
You can shut it off by holding down the number 1 until it makes that beep. So now we don't have any
Now just do it again and unlock it. See if it... There we go. Now you don't hear all that noise. Because it is very loud.
Okay, so
next step.
Next step is the key fob.
Program the key fob. Okay, turn the switch.
Switch on. Back of the handle. Says then press and release the key fob learn. Oh, right there.
Okay, the learn button is right here.
Yeah.
And you'll need something small. We're using
we're just using a Allen wrench.
Allen wrench. Okay, we got the beep. Now hit the lock button.
Lock. Okay. Finally press the lock button.
And there it goes.
It is. Just like that, and then unlock. This key fob, we can program 2 things. So we can even buy the storage doors, a lock for that, and then we can program to this. And then also you can buy more of these key fobs so everybody can have one. We only got one right now, but we wanted to see how it was going to work first, see if we like it, which I know we're going to like it.
We're going to love it.
Yeah, we don't have to, we can walk up and just unlock the camper.
Well, and the thing is that somebody else that has the same rig as ours probably has the same key.
All right, that's it.
So if you're interested in this.
Yeah, we'll put a link below because it'll just be a quick link to get you where you need to. This key fob will be the game changer, so we're really excited about it.
Awesome.
Okay. All right, on to hiking.